Managing images and video. To upload an image, click on the Images tab and select the plus icon to add a new image using the File Explorer. Alternatively, just drag and drop your selected images straight into the Images tab, where they will be uploaded and stored in the cloud. Whichever way you prefer to do it, the new images are now shown in the image list and are available for you to use. The Image Thumbnails view can be turned on and off at your convenience. Keep your image content in folders to stay organized. Simply click on the folder icon to create a new folder and drag and drop your content into the folder. You can also delete folders and images by selecting them and clicking the trash bin icon. Click on the image name to open it for a larger preview. From here, users can view it, see the image size, rename it, or download it back to their desktop. To upload a video, click on the Videos tab and select the plus icon to add a new video using the File Explorer. Alternatively, just drag and drop your selected video straight into the Videos tab. To make it even easier for you, our cloud solution automatically converts your videos into the right format to play smoothly on your signage screens. Once uploaded, the new video is shown in the video list and is available for use. You can click on a video thumbnail to see it in a larger format. From here, you can check the playback, and if needed, you can even rename the video. Another neat feature is that other site users can download the video from here too. Keep your video content in folders to stay organized. Simply click on the folder icon to create a new folder and drag and drop your content into the folder. You can also delete folders and videos by selecting them and clicking the trash bin icon.